you was made up. You ready for your pictures? What's up, Team DMS? Today I'm going to be doing a color green Pixie. I did already cut her hair, and she did get a partial relaxer, which is a relaxer on the sides. So that is why I am applying the color this way. I'm doing the top first because like I said, I relaxed her sides, and I don't want her sides to be extremely light. With the freshly relaxed hair, it will take faster, and then the top will be darker. So that's why I'm applying the color this way. So if you would like to see the end result, just stay tuned for this video. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Team DMS. Team DMS.
Now I'm going to take Influences pre-chemical treatment, and I'm just going to put that all over her hair. Not a lot of it. We're not making the hair like extremely wet. This evens out the porosity in the hair and just helps the color to process better. Now the colors that I'm using is green. I did mix Influence Green, a green by Chi Chroma color, and then I also put Joico green in there as well. After I applied the color, I did go back in because it was like really bright. So I did go back in and add more of the Chi Chroma color and the Joico green because those are darker, and mixed those, and then applied it around the sides and the back, and it was great. She did want more of like a hunter green when I saw the picture, but when she initially showed me the picture, I kind of got it mixed up with another picture that I had of the same model. But after all, I did give her the option to, you know, allow me to make it darker, but she actually liked it the way it was. So this is how we left it.
Team DMS.
So she has been shampooed and conditioned, and now we're going to go ahead and start with the molding process. I start by using Main Mint Foam. You guys know that I only use Main Mint Foam. Main Mint Foam, you can get that at mainlifestudio.com. There is a link in the description box below where you can grab that. It's the best foam out. It does not run. It's not watery. It holds the hair in place, and I absolutely love it. So we're just going to go ahead, and I'm going to put just some waves like around her front just to frame her face a little bit, and she's gonna go in the dryer.
Team DMS.
Me twice.
Team DMS. Team DMS.
So I did put a little bit of Kenra's Silkening drops. I did not show the bottle. I forgot. But that's what I put on. And I just put a little bit of that on before I start curling her hair. The curling iron that I am using right now is Main Life Collections 1/2-inch flat iron. You can get that also at mainlifestudio.com. It's great. I love it. Now for the shorter pieces, I am going to use H2 Pro micro iron. And I have a link to that one as well in my bio. Thinking I'm on Instagram, y'all. A link in my description box. Just look for Amazon and it'll take you to Hot Tools. And there you will see the various flat irons that I do use in the salon. This pattern that I'm using is not anything in particular, just doing roll curls around the front. I'm curling the hair in the direction that it's waved, but the back is just roll curls. And then once we get to the top is just pretty much curling it, each flip inside of each other, not in a specific way, just kind of going with the flow.
Team DMS. Team DMS.
So now I'm going to take Kenra's wax stick and I'm just going to put that on her edges so that when she sleeps at night, her hair will stay laid, honey. I do have a link to that in the description box as well. Check it out at Amazon, or you can get it at, I don't know about your local beauty supply store, but I know some of the professional stores have it, like Cosmoprop or Beauty Exchange, I believe that's their name. But anyway, if you can find it, great. If not, they have it on Amazon. The spray that I'm using, she is older, so y'all know older clients like their hair to be laid in place. So normally I don't use a spritz, but that's Design Essentials Formation Spritz. So here's the finished look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.